In this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over a hat hanger. If you're like me and you got just a big pile of hats just like that and they're scattered everywhere, one thing I had found is a thing to hang them up. So check this out. This is a 2-pack and this is from the company Resolve, I think's how you would say it. And you know what? It's in black color. Get rid of that and check these out. So what it is, all this thing is 2 little series like that. You know, you could probably hang anywhere, anything on these. You don't necessarily, those are actually pretty solid clips. Look at that, spring-loaded clips right there. So you get 2 hangers and it's enough to hang 20 hats. I don't have 20 hats, but I have usually about 5 or 6 laying around. And if you want to put them in a closet and kind of organize your hats, this is something I recommend. Let me just kind of like show you how it works. You know, this is an older hat. I just don't like throwing hats away. All you do is attach it right to the bills of the hat like that, and one hangs there like that. Then you got another one just like that. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna have a series of hats, then you can hang them in your closet. So it's like a hat organizer there. Check that out. But you could also, like I said, I think you could hang a wide variety of stuff if you wanna hang something on these, because it's screwed in hooks that they've screwed into the wood piece right there, and it's on a ring, and it's got a little pinch right there. How much of a pinch does it have? Well, okay, it doesn't hurt, but you know what? I wouldn't recommend putting it on your finger. But let's go ahead, let's hang all these hats up here and see what it looks like. Well, there it is. I just put the hats that I have on here, and you could see how you can go through your hats real fast, grab whichever one you want, and just pull on it. I don't see it moving around or like dropping or anything like that. Very nice, very handy little item, something I recommend for anybody that has like a wide variety of hats and, you know, they just want to be able to like grab a hat and put a hat up when they're not in use. All right, where I'm going to hang mine is I'm going to hang it right here on the back of the door. So look at that. I might balance it out more. I think I got some more hats scattered about, and I'll put more hats on there, but that looks really good. I like how it kind of just holds the hats like that. And you know what? I can still open the door and close the door, and my hats are right there. Kind of gives me a reason to go buy some more hats. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the hat hanger. See you on the next video.